Okay, welcome to Seasparkles Corner, and today I'm going to be, per request from my mom, doing a video because I found a great way to do this thing easier. So, for whatever that language is what it's called, and then whatever that language is what it's called as well. And in English, it is called a telescopic folding stool. Instructions type M002. That's what it looks like in English. Okay. Now, the reason she asked me to do this is I found this great way of doing it. You see, per the instructions, they want you to release it like this for your grip, or this for your grip, or this for your grip, okay? And then you pull it apart, and then you sit on it, and then to collapse it, you reverse it. All the instructions after step one is actually okay. Step one, though, that's the hard way. So here's what I'm going to do. Okay? I'm going to take this thingamabob. I'm not sure what's going on with the strap. Well, the strap has a Velcro.
I didn't know that.
I didn't know about the Velcro part. Okay. So, this is the stool. This is how they recommend you doing it. Okay?
Wow.
Okay? Now, I'm well rested. Okay? So that means I can actually do this. But about after fifth bus, that's going to get hard on your fingers. So I want to show you a better way. And then I want to explain to you the entire mechanism, because I've actually figured this thing out. What you do is, you use your thumbs like this, and your middle fingers like this. That way, what you're doing is, you're having your fingers, your middle fingers, pushing it in to your palms. You're turning your entire palm and your thumb into your leverage. Then you just gently twist it. Not gently twisting it, you just kind of well, let me lock it. So that way it's binding. Hold on a minute. See, this one's actually been used a few times, so actually it's not. The binding mechanism ain't gripping. Hold on a second. There. Nope. Nope. Okay, there. Now it's locked. Oh, it's released. There. Yeah.
I've used it.
The binding mechanism ain't gripping it now. Okay? So what you do is, one second, let me make sure it's alright. So when you do it, you want to kind of turn it like that, and you just pull it apart, and then you just give it a little gentle. There we go. Hold on a second. There. After you start it, then you swap over to the instructions grip, so you get a little more pull, okay?
So you sit on it to show it.
Basically, after you start it, and then you just simply swap over and you finish it up there. And it is actually adjustable, provided you can actually get it to grip it, because each of these tooths here is steps actually, so you can actually adjust the height of it even, provided you can get it to lock. See? See, there's a little lower. There's a little lower too. There's at the low, about as low as probably nobody's going to use. That's at the highest. Okay? Waiting for the bus to come on down the road, because we want to ride a bus, because we need the bus to come on. Come on, bus. Yep. We're waiting for the bus to come. Now, let's collapse it. Okay, you see how the teeth and the slots. The slots is this end over here. This end's your teeth. These are your slots. And then this end controls the teeth. You're going to retract it. You just want to kind of, there. You want to kind of just pull up, give it a little turn, and then when they're all lined up, great. Oh, okay, so that's the one I didn't. Alright. Yeah, when you use it a few times, it actually gets easier and easier. When you first use it,
It's really hard.
when you first get it, it's going to be really hard because what happens is that these can actually be snapped in when you first get it. But when you use it a few times, that becomes less of a problem apparently. And this one's been used a few times. See? That's what happens. That's what binds it.
Tell them why I asked you.
The reason she asked me is because I found out the trick to first using, which actually you can also go for this approach too. You can also use this approach when you first get it. That's interesting. Huh. I didn't notice that. Well, okay. So this and this is separate parts. So she asked me because I figured out the easy way to work it.
I couldn't work it at all before.
Yeah, my biggest problem I have is the strap's position. That's one thing I don't like about it. Because the strap being on the end here, it makes it prone to do that. To get up in there. That's one thing I don't like about it. I mean, yeah, it makes sense to have it on the side
That's the only place you
for
can.
carrying it.
Yeah.
But honestly, I think it should have had like a piece of Velcro or something. Or even have a better method to adjust the strap so that way it could go around it better. Because to me, the strap is just the Achilles heel of an overall good design. How'd you get it this short?
I don't know. I never did. I just flung it over my shoulder.
Because originally the whole strap could go around it. What'd you do?
I didn't. I just carried it around my shoulder. I don't know. Can you fix it?
The instructions doesn't even talk about adjusting the strap. The back's blank before you ask.
Yeah.
What in the...
I had put it in my bag last time I went.
Oh, okay. So...
I never really messed with them. I like it over my shoulder.
That makes no sense. So let me get this straight. The strap, you adjust the length, and apparently use the Velcro to grab the strap somehow. But then, when you actually adjust the
You
strap,
can only put the Velcro there.
you can only put the Velcro here.
Yeah. And so that's what I used.
You know what I give the strap for this thing? There's your design fault right there. Is your strap. Because, let me try something. Well, the strap apparently holds. It looks like it's pop riveted onto the lid.
Yeah.
Overall, I say the construction of the stool itself is good, but the whole strap design has got to be better ones than this.
It's what it is.
But I mean, then again,
You see, it's comfortable like that.
You can carry it around like this,
Yeah, that's what I did.
where you're holding it too. But it did come with a carrying bag, which is overall useless in this design.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not even going to review the carrying bag that came with this. It is that terrible.
It doesn't serve a purpose when you're going to carry it over your lap, your shoulder.
Technically, the carrying bag that came with this, let's put it this way, it's such a bad design, it's a dust bag to keep dust off of it. Well, I guess that's it.
Give it your, what you like it or not.
Well, my overall opinion,
Mm-hmm.
well, I'll tell you what, since my mom got it for her to use it on her travels, I'd say overall design of the stool itself, I say the stool is good. Good design. The strap, no. I mean, just no, the strap itself is just terrible in this design. But I'll tell you what, my mom is going to use this for a while, and what she's going to do is she's going to mark her calendar 2 months from now. Okay?
That would be October.
2 months from now, she's going to do an update on it
Okay.
for its overall longevity and lasting. And then after 2 months, if this is still working, then 2 months from then, one more update, and then I think that'll be a good baseline. Okay? So that way we know if it's good or bad. As always, thank you for watching. And I aim for the sofa on purpose. Peace out, friends!
Thank you, honey.